So our buddy Marcus has sold his MCI 8. It's this beautiful 8 that's been here before. It has a slide out on it, and we'll give you a tour of the inside of it here and everything in this video, but the new owner is bringing it here for an inspection before they take it back to his place, so we're just gonna go through it quickly, take a look and see what's going on with it. Does it hold air overnight or no?
Yes.
Okay.
So no keys. No keys. We need one.
Very nice. It sat overnight. Cold start in the morning. About 45 degrees out. So we noticed that the radius rod had some movement in it in the bushings, and then it had these poly bushings in there that don't usually last as long as the good rubber ones. So we're putting the rubber ones, new rubber ones back in it. Our friend George made us this tool that the book tells you to make to install the bushings instead of the normal way that we do it. So we tried it, but it's definitely not easier than our normal way. But thanks for the attempt, George. I appreciate the effort that you put into making the tool. It certainly wasn't any easier than the regular way.
It wasn't easier?
No.
I feel like it's just a form now.
Yeah, it'll get reformed when it goes back on, but it wasn't any easier. So we put all new shocks all around on it, except for the tag we replaced the last time this bus was in for service. The tag shock had broken before, but new shocks, and we're going through on the brakes. This boot was torn on the DD3 brake there. We want to make sure we keep the dirt and dust out of there, so we're going to replace that rubber boot too. Here's our regular way of installing bushings. The old 2-step, 3-step.
Yep.
Had to go run an errand. Look who we're behind coming back to the shop. I know where he's going. This will be fun. We'll get a hill climb video of him. That's a tight squeeze. Your turn signals are loud.
Wonder how loud it is inside there when he goes up and down.
All the tools rattling and clanking.
I know I followed him down the hill the one day. He goes pretty slow. I'm just gonna wait here.
cutting it off or burning it off?
Are you serious? Come on.
My smoke alarm is gonna go off in a second.
Just go hold it. He can go up. Huh? Go from here and go up.
You think so?
Yep. Go up.
This little corner was loose and like rattling around, and so they got into a project here of trying to fix it. And boy, have they really been into it. It took them many, many hours to get this fixed.
Up. Up. Nut's almost coming out. Unscrewed now with the hand.
Yeah, you gotta take that can off.
Loosen it a little bit.
Just put some coil on there. Make sure by your feet. So these wheel cover top hats are a little different. So there's a bracket that mounts in there on 2 lug nuts on each side, and then this goes on. And you like these by far the best out of any of them, right? Yeah.
And the steer tires and the tag axle ones get 2 little studs that stick out, and they go through that little bracket there and then that. Yeah. It's amazing how strong they are. Mm-hmm. How many feet is that awning? Like 12 feet?
$6,828.
So, big couch area. This whole side is a giant couch. There's the kitchen area. Shower. Just got a fan up there. Flat screen. Extra storage over here on this side. There's a table that goes in here. So this turns into like the dinette area. A lot of room here to slide out.
Here's what it looks like, that table in there. So it's a nice dinette area. This has the slide in on it, so you really can't get around it with the table very good with the slide in. It's got a different kind of awning over on the slide out. That's pretty neat little awning.
You can bring the slide in too. It's a lot of weight, yeah.
You can see the whole bus going back that way.
Yep.
It's gonna be a little harder to start here as we just changed the fuel filters in it, so we broke the prime on the system. I do think this has to be probably the nicest MCI 8 on the planet as far as an RV conversion goes. The slide out on it makes it very unique too, so it's a very, very nice RV.
Okay, start cutting it. Oh, keep it cut, keep it cut.
You want to back it down the hill?
No, you're backing the ass that way. You might have screwed yourself now.
Ah, then you.
I don't think so. You better come forward. Aim for over here. Watch your mirror there. You got it.
Well, we got it in and out of here in just over a day. Got a lot done to it, went through a lot of things on it, but it's a very, very good bus.